Welcome to Yoga with Vic. I'm Victoria, and tonight we're going to be doing a bedtime yoga to help you stretch, relax, and start to wind down for bed. So get into something comfy and let's get into it. Find yourself in a nice, comfortable, easy seated position. Feet are touching, the bottoms of our feet are planted against each other, which creates a nice butterfly pose here. Our diamond is as big or as wide as you need it to be. Your hands land on your ankles or your feet or your shin. Start to create a butterfly effect with your legs, getting into our hips. Start to slow down your breath here. This is time for yourself now. Time to wind down. Whatever happened in your day today, it happened. Now it's time to move on and be present here. Take a nice big inhale. As you exhale, fold over your legs. Allow your spine to round here. Really just allow gravity to do the work. Notice your breath. Continue to create long and deep inhales and exhales. We're here for a couple more breaths. If this is too intense, just walk yourself out of it a little bit. This is your practice. I'm just guiding you through it. Release any tension in your neck, your forehead, your eyebrows. Just fully let go and surrender. One more breath. Inhale as you slowly come out the same way you came in. Arms come behind you. Knees come back through center. Your feet can be walked out to mat distance apart. Allow your knees to fall towards the right. Inhale as they come through center, and on your exhale, they fall towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. And left. You can go at your own pace here, going as slow or as fast as you need to be. One more each side. We'll meet in the center. Walk your hands back up beside you. Extend your legs. Right leg stays straight. Left foot comes in to meet your right thigh. Our hips are pointing forward straight. Right arm comes down onto our right leg. Inhale, left arm floats up and over, coming into a nice side stretch here. Your right foot can be flexed or pointed, whatever is most comfortable for you. Notice your shoulder. Pull your left shoulder back, opening your chest and heart. One more breath here. Inhale, both arms float up towards the sky. Shift your torso towards your right leg. So now our hips are going towards this right leg. Inhale, arms are up. Exhale as you fold over your right leg. Allow your spine to curve as much as comfortable. Release any tension in your neck. Your hands can really be wherever is most comfortable for you. Couple more breaths here. Truly surrender. As you inhale, walk yourself out of it. Arms come behind us as we switch legs. Left leg is extended. Right foot is in between our sit bones. The bottom of our right foot is planted against our left inner thigh. Hips are pointing forward here, not towards the leg yet. Inhale, arms float up. Exhale, left arm floats down towards the left leg. Right arm is reaching up and over our body. Check in on your shoulder, pull it back. Gaze and chest is going towards the sky. Feel this great body stretch along the right side of our body. Keep it gentle. Walk yourself out of it a little bit if you're feeling uncomfortable. One more breath. On your next inhale, both arms float up towards the sky. Shift your torso to face your foot. Inhale, we grow tall, and as you exhale, fold over this left leg, allowing your spine to curve. Again, hands fall wherever is most comfortable. And just let gravity do the work here. One more breath. Slowly walk your hands back towards you, coming out of here. Extend your legs out long in front of you. Slowly, one vertebrae at a time, lower yourself down onto the mat. Head is grounded onto the mat, shoulders are planted here. Arms come out to a T. Right knee floats up, left knee floats up. Take a nice big inhale. As you exhale, knees fall towards the right side. Gaze looks towards the left. Coming into a nice spinal twist here. Nice big squeeze for the organs. Take a couple breaths here. And your next inhale, legs float back up through center. Use your core. As you exhale, legs fall towards the left and your gaze looks towards the right. If this is ever uncomfortable, you can always put a block under your knees or a cushion. When you're ready, slowly bring yourself back through center. Your feet float up towards the sky. Your arms thread through your legs, grabbing the outside of your feet. Happy baby. Don't force yourself in this pose. Just allow yourself to rest here. Feel the connection of your spine planted into the mat beneath you. Wherever you are, take one more breath. Release your hands. Allow your feet to extend towards the sky, arms as well. Allow your fingers to hang, your toes to hang. Dead bug. This is great if you walk a lot or sit a lot, getting the blood flow back to our heart. Start to shake out your limbs, getting any energy left out of them. Close your eyes, get intuitive with it, do what your body feels like it needs right now. Come to stillness. Right foot floats down onto the mat. Left foot floats down, meeting your right. Arms come out wide. Left leg extends, right leg extends as wide as the mat. Arms are as wide as comfortable. Truly surrender here. Shavasana. Have a wonderful rest of your night. Namaste.